Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to capture boot logs with Process Monitor step by step. Boot logging is one of Process Monitor's most powerful features because it lets you record system activity during Windows startup, making it much easier to troubleshoot boot issues, driver problems, and applications that launch automatically. So let's get started. First, open Process Monitor on your Windows computer and run it as an administrator. Once the application opens, click the Options menu and select Enable Boot Logging. If you're prompted to enable boot time logging, click Yes to confirm. Next, choose whether you want Process Monitor to generate profiling events if that option is available. For most troubleshooting tasks, the default settings work well. After confirming your choices, Process Monitor will ask you to restart your computer. Restart your PC and allow Windows to boot normally. During startup, Process Monitor's boot logging driver will automatically record file activity, registry operations, process creation, and other system events before the desktop fully loads. After Windows finishes starting, launch Process Monitor again. The application will detect the boot log and ask whether you want to save or load the captured data. Click Yes, then wait while the boot log is processed and displayed. Once the log is loaded, apply filters to focus on specific processes, drivers, or operations. This makes it much easier to identify errors such as access DNIED, name not found, or other events that may be causing startup problems. And that's it. You now know how to capture boot logs with Process Monitor and use them to troubleshoot Windows startup issues more effectively. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next